just leaving mile 1. I'm kind of doing some footage for something unique, so I'm hoping it turns out. You can see the complexity and the danger of this road. You've lost the guardrails, you've no cell service, you've got a very narrow road. I had to do the obligatory cell phone photo of the truck in mile 1. That's like obligatory. That's a must do. But you're watching around these corners like a hawk, because the way we run this road, and I run it the same way the semis do, is they're gonna use the road, whole road, because this road is potholed, it's frost heaved, it's sinkhole. It's narrow, there's unexpected traps, craziness. So you run the road, as a madman, basically, if I can just say it that way. See, you're watching way ahead. So that you know what's going on. And you always get the comment of, what in the world is that big antenna on the front of the truck for? Well, this road is wide. Because we've got a CB set up. And here very shortly we'll be coming up on a checkpoint. And these checkpoints are very important because you can see the runoff areas. There's almost no runoff areas. And get a little mud. She'll look at least somewhat galvanized. But your runoff areas are quite minimal. Say, using these checkpoints. Normally I slow down a lot more for opposite traffic. The final general, and then I'm gonna pause recording until we get to the next unique thing. But the general rules of the road is southbound yields to northbound, northbound as per hours, and then little car yields to semi yields to oversize. General rules of the road. And if you do find yourself in a situation without a CB up here, which I do not recommend, when you see a semi, you're going to find your first safe spot, use your right turn signal, slow down, and let him around you. Don't be that jerk that makes the semis have to try to get around you in unsafe spots. So, even though this has got minimal traffic, you're always watching your side views. aware that the road conditions change dramatically very quickly. Like right now we're on this kind of mud hard pack. And just a minute ago we were on ice. And then you see in the southbound lane it's primarily just dust. Now, the final thing about that is that dust has, like that southbound Dodge pickup, the little four-wheeler with the truck behind. When you passed me, you saw all the spray, you heard the rocks. A lot of the trucks have a little statement that we value our windscreen, the windshield. It said, sorry I use proper English, proper King's English there, but you want to try to be courteous, so you don't fly if possible. When you see another opposing vehicle, slow down. Tour SUV northbound, truckers.